Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video we are going to discuss about an important AI tool which will be very useful for academicians, researchers and students. So this is a fantastic tool which put together all the general things which can be needed by a student and a teacher. So and also it will have important points related with the writings also. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. So the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Magic School AI. So this Magic School AI is especially for teachers and students. Those who are in academic side can make use of this tool even better. So let us see how it will be very useful for that is preparation. So our planning and preparation for making a better knowledgeable contents. So here you can see these are the different types of templates available in this particular Magic School AI. So this is the dashboard you will be getting, and also it will be having a chatbot. So we will explore it later. So first we will discuss what are the important AI templates which will be useful for us to make a better content. So here you can see YouTube video summarizer, YouTube video question generator. So here you can see conceptual understanding generator, science lab generator, student work feedback tool, teacher joke generator, so lesson plan generator, academic content generator. So generate original academic content for your classes customized to topic and criteria of your choice. So this will be very useful as we have click on that link. So you can select here a grade level. For example, say it's a college, you can select a college. So the text length, you can give text length as how many pages you can give. So next, content type you can give it as a article, or you can give it as a research paper. So next, topic you can give on for example, say grid connected PV system. So additional criteria is optional, if you want you can give. So after that, so I am going to make it as a 2-page. Let us see how it will works out. So after that, what you have to do is click on generate. So let us see how it will works out, or how it will generate a better content. So here you can see it will generating content. So we will wait until it will completed. So this working principle, advantages of a grid connected PV system, challenges and considerations, conclusion. So here you can see starting from your that is text title and type. So here introduction, so a grid connected PV system. So how a grid connected PV system must be. Next, components of a grid connected PV system. Next, working principle, advantages of a grid connected PV system. Next, challenges and consideration. So this will be a better content. So you can change whatever you want, as this content type can be given as a short story or any news or article. So you can give whatever you want. So this is what this academic content generator. So next you can go on lesson plan generator to those teachers and professors who are struggling to make a lesson plan. So you can make use of this option. So what you are teaching, so what is the additional content, what is the standards and align. So you can give and generate a lesson plan. So after that you can see what are the different options available is that Rubik generator, AI assessment resistant assignment question suggestions, unit plan generator. Next, text rewriter tool. So I am going to click on this text rewriter tool and I am going to copy and paste some content here. So I am going to copy and paste this paragraph in this Magic Tool AI. So after that, click on generate. It is in different words, it is off, as long is include. So like that it will asking how to rewrite that question. So I am going to, it is in different words I am going to give. So as we have to get rid of plagiarism, so I am going to give it as a prompt like that. So I am going to give generate. So here you can give whatever you want, so rewrite so that it is in different words. So here you can see here, so operating silently and without any moving parts on economical emissions. So here you can see the PV system have become widely adopted technology for generating electricity due to its quiet operation. So lack of moving components and absence of environmental pollution. Originally catering to a specific market, these systems have now reached a level of maturity suitable for mainstream use. A rooftop PV can recover, so like that it will generate a different content. So here you can see, you can ask with the chatbot about this content. So and also you can summarize this content, you can increase the text length or shorten the length, so by using these options. And also you can ask questions. Here you can, I am going to click multiple choice questions. So from the paragraph you have given for rewrite, so it will automatically generate 5 multiple choice questions. So what are some of the advantages of PV system? So here you can see the questions here, so thereby you can copy and paste and you can use the question for your students also. So and also you can give on summarize. Here it will ask 1 sentence, 3 sentences, 5 points, 7 points and 10 points. So whenever you want to summarize a paragraph, so you can make use of this option. So this is a different option when compared with all other AI tools. So generally what a AI tool will do is that it generally rewrite the content by exchanging the sentence or change the voices and the grammatical problems in the sentence. So here you can use this kind of option, that is 1 sentence, 3 sentence, 5 points. So I am going to make it as a 5 points and I am going to give 5 points. So let us see. So yes, it's worked out. It will give that text rewrite, the rewritten content into 5 points. So this is a fantastic option. So where you can summarize into from 1 sentence to 10 points. So whatever that is the subject of the content you want. For example, say some of them want a better, more content. Some of them was a crisp and concise content about that particular paragraph. So as like that you can make use of this option. So this is a super option in text rewriter tool. So don't forget to use this text rewriter tool, especially for the researchers, those who are struggling to get rid of plagiarism. So you can make use of this text rewriter tool. So after that you can see this math, story, word problems. As teachers can use this kind of tools, math, story, word problems. Next, model, science, lesson plan generator, diagnostic assessment generator. Next you can see multiple choice question generator, college song, quote, sports generator. Next, information text generator, so syllabus generator. So like that it will have different types of options. Here you can see text leveler tool, data table analysis generator. So I am going to click on this data table analysis. So I am going to click it as a college. Criteria for a data table, so the largest 5 rivers in a place of pH level, a random assortment of 5 fruits. So like that you can give an instruction. So I am going to give the 5 different multi-port converters compared with the efficiency. So I am going to click on, after that I am going to click on generate. So let us see how it will works out. So it's like giving a general content only, model A, model school students can make use of this, as school teachers can make use of this. This won't work for our research preparation, so research article preparation. So after that you can see email, 3-dimensional science assessment generator. Next, vocabulary list, topic based class newsletter, text translator tool, text proofreader tool. So here this will be very useful for us to make our research article get corrected. Text proofreader tool. So click on text proofreader tool. So what I am going to do is I am going to copy and paste the original text. So let us see how the grammatically mistakes are corrected. For example, I am going intentionally I am going to make a spelling mistake here. Let us see how it will works out. So here you can see this is that is grammatically corrected content. So here what are the changes made also be examined using this AI tool. So here change it silently into silently, as we have done a mistake, that is by giving a spelling mistake. So it will change the spelling mistake, and added a comma after emissions. So after emissions, it's added a comma. Next, capitalized PV to match abbreviation style, added a comma after generation, capitalized A at the beginning of a second sentence. So like that, it also give the what are the changes made in the particular sentence. So in order to get rid of this problems you having while preparing your research paper like that, so correcting grammar, spelling, punctuation, so often we use it to get typo errors while going for review. So the reviewers often use it to say change the language of your paper, or else you can see get rid of the typos error in your paper. So in order to analyze that thing, so you have to make use of this kind of tool to correct your sentences, and also make sure that what are the things corrected properly, and you can answer that for your reviewer also. So you can make use of the option in this Magic School AI to get your proofreader your research paper easily. So this is also a fantastic option. So next you can see this is a text summarizer tool. So take any text and summarize it whatever the length you want, as we already discussed. I don't want to explain it again. So you can shorten or expand or convert convert into one sentence, or convert it into 5 points or 10 points like that. So next one is vocabulary based text generator. So generate original text for your class that include custom list vocabulary to help practice the words in the context. So this is also an important option for a teacher. So you can make use of this. So next, multiple explanation for a complex concepts. Next, use AI to produce a fewer clear explanation of concepts that you are teaching in your class to help students understanding. Let us explore. This is a different option. So I am going to give it as a college level concept being taught. I am going to taught about motors. For example, say I am going to give motors. Let us see how it will works out. Yes, it is started. So it starts some suggestions related with motor. Yes, it shows how to teach that motor in a perfect way. So illustrate this concept. Let us consider examples of converting electrical energy into mechanical energy. So like this, starting from that, it will give some of the examples. So different examples. So after you will be getting an idea after checking it. Thus water wheel analogy, bike cycle analogy, windmill analogy for a motor, how it is operated. So you can get this like ideas for to teach very easily for your students. So next one is that text analysis assignment generator. So next, vocabulary list text based. Next, what are the important options? So that's it. So as far as research is concerned, so you can use text summarize tool, and the fantastic thing is that text proofreader tool, it will give better proofreading option, and also you will be having that the first thing we have discussed is that article generator and academic content generator. It will generate very better academic content. So these are the important things for a researchers can do and work in this Magic School AI. So those who are in academic side, teachers and students, so it will be a fantastic AI tool for you to make all the things very easy. So AI can assist for you to do anything. So if you are struggling to get an idea about anything, so go on to Magic School AI and get your work done better. So next you can see the chat bot here. Here you can see this is some of the chat bot. So it's like a normal chat bot. You can ask. So here you can see my name is Raina, your AI instructional coach. You can ask any questions related to best practices in teaching or your work in a school building. Feel free to ask me ideas for your classroom research on best practices, pedagogy, behavior management strategies. The more specific you questions, the better will be responses. So here some of the questions, common questions. So how can we raise fund for a new classroom? How can I better manage time during 40 minutes class? So I am going to ask a question, managing time during a 40 minutes class. So it will give some suggestions related with the particular questions. So like that you can ask academic questions to the chatbot, it will answer it accordingly. So you can make use of this option. So in this AI tool. So this is all about this Magic School AI. So as I already said, as far as research is concerned, you can use proofread option and generate academic content using this AI tool. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. Please share this video who are struggling with to make assignments or anything. So especially for students and academicians and teachers, your friends. So don't forget to share this AI tool. So many of them don't know about this AI tool. So you can share and make this AI tool familiar and make use of this AI tool for a better planning and making your students more active. So and giving a better content for your students. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.